Recently, I purchased a set of Rancho 9000 XL shocks for my 1995 Ford F350 4x4. Part numbers are RS999165 and RS999112 for the front and rear. I was running a set of new factory shocks that were just not up to the task. The truck had a choppy ride in the front, and the rear bounced uncontrollably with all the weight in the back. The improvements are night and day. These shocks have a multi-positional knob that allows you to dial in the front and back separately, which is what I did. I was able to virtually remove all the bouncing out of the rear and the chop out of the front. Around town on rough streets, it's still a bit bouncy, but 85% better. But where this setup really shines is on the highway. The ride is completely transformed. When we used to hit freeway overpasses or dips in the road at 65 to 70 miles per hour, the truck was jarring. Now it's very smooth, like a modern truck. We just went on a trip that included going off-road, and the Rancho 9000 XLs provided us with a smooth, controlled ride, even on washboard roads.